So does this resonate with you? I mean, do you think this is a challenge? Is it the future or has it already come? I'm going to give you some data because people are saying AI is the future. No, AI is not the future. AI is the present. It's already there, and I'm going to take you through real examples of industry. I'm not giving you theory. Between the two prompts, what part of ChatGPT did you really find useful? So let's say you give a prompt. We want to invest in TCS. That's the problem that we want to solve. So let's open up your phones, okay, and just put the prompt. But just in the prompt mention that the outcome that I'm looking for is buy, hold or sell, okay. So find out by researching whether I should invest in TCS and give me a final recommendation as to whether I should buy, hold or sell. Okay, can you hear it? Hold. Okay, so what is the reasoning that has been given on hold? It's buy. Buy. What is the reasoning that has been given by? Okay, so now let's imagine yourself sitting in a desk in an investment bank researching on TCS. Would you be kind enough to present this? Would you be confident enough to present this to your investor? Why? I mean, don't you think this recommendation was sound? Reasoning तो दिया है ना? Reasoning में ऐसा कुछ illogical लिखा है तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगर आपके पास 1 करोड़ है, लेट्स से, मैं बोलता हूँ ये recommendation पे आपको buy, hold या sell करना है. Will you do it or not? 1 crore, will you think about it? I mean, jokes aside, there's about 15 years you worked hard, you saved 1 CR, now you want to go on heavy on one stock, going by the recommendation of Warren Buffett, one stock. Would you be confident enough to invest? Why? Okay, good. So why doesn't ChatGPT know that it has to compare? Why not compare TCS with L&T Tech? Are you getting the problem? Okay, now I'll give you another exact different kind of a case study. You can scan this to directly go into the URL of TCS का con call report. So every quarter, every public listed company, ठीक है, जो भी IPO होती है, होने के बाद, every analyst from every brokerage houses, fund management, investment bank, hedge funds will come and ask questions to the management. And in the earnings call, questions are asked. Now I am an analyst. I did the initial prompt. I want to find out whether there was any discussion related to AI. So it says AI is driving new deal wins. TCS said that they're getting large deals using AI-infused solutions and AI is becoming core in almost every project. Productivity boost from AI. AI is giving 10 to 15% productivity gains, now expected to reach 20 to 25%, but project scopes will increase so revenue impact won't be negative. Delivery and billing model change. TCS confirmed a shift towards outcome-based billing. Still early, but already. What is outcome-based billing? I'll tell you. So in TCS and Infosys and any of the IT companies, what happens is we hire these developers out here and we say billing per hour. So let's say the customer says we want to build a CRM and we say that okay, it's going to take us 10,000 man hours. So they'll be like, okay, where's the developers? So we'll hire the developers from all the engineering colleges. We'll put them in a office and there will be a timesheet. So timesheet will be shared with. So that is billing per hour. From there, now they're saying we're going into outcome based. So, nikla kya? What is the outcome? Were you able to deliver? So delivery based model where they have gone. Any other insights if anybody was able to find? Okay. So the last point is AI is not hurting demand or revenue. Of course, the management has to say that, right? You don't want the management to say, sir, AI has screwed us. We're gone. 50% down, we're going to be 70% down. Obviously, between the two prompts, what part of ChatGPT did you really find useful? Was it the recommendation part or was it the extraction part, the data extraction part? Which one did you really like? Okay. So data extraction was spot on. There was no ifs and buts. So we are saying that can an analyst directly just use ChatGPT and say buy, hold and sell? No, not possible. But we are using the extractor along with the human person.